Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and tonight I'm going to do something a little different. I'm normally working on tumblers, but I also have a passion for these gorgeous coasters that have the geode edge, kind of, sort of. So I decided I was going to make some of them tonight, and I'm going to show you how I did it. So I have this segmented tray. It's all one piece, and I've already mixed my resin and I've poured a little bit in each one of the segments. And the colors that I'm going to be using tonight is Wild Jasmine, Pink Mink. Both of those are Resin Art luster pigments. And then I've got some Color Obsessions 007. So I'm going to just spread these little puddles of resin out across the bottom of the segmented parts and out to the edges. And I'm doing that just to kind of break the tension between the silicone and the resin so that I don't get any trapped air or bubbles under there. You don't want to use too much heat on these because you could ruin your silicone mold, so try to be careful with that, and this just seems to help. So I've already got that taken care of, and I'm mixing my colors now, and I started with the Pink Mink first, and then the Wild Jasmine is in the second cup. And I'm just making sure that I keep that resin kind of smooth around on the base of the mold. And I'm using the Pink Mink on the edges, or rather I'm using the Wild Jasmine on the edges and the Pink Mink in the center. And they kind of look similar in color from here, but once they're cured you'll see the difference in them. One of them just has a shimmer, and then the other is sparkly. So I'm making sure that I fill up my molds, getting all the resin out, and then I'm going to mix up the Color Obsession 007, and I'm doing it kind of away from the work area because when you open that little jar of 007 it just poofs up into the air somehow. So before I add the gold, I want to just kind of move the two different colors around a little bit and get a design going so that it's not just kind of plain looking, but it will have like a little swirls in there. And now we're ready to add the gold. I'm just going to pour in a little bit and then move it around. Let it kind of get its own unique design. All the way around. And some of this will sink to the bottom and some of it will stay on top. I'm going to go ahead and use this up. Just swirling it back and forth with my stir stick. Getting a design going. And let me bring it in close. You can kind of see it. And then I'm going to let this set and cure. And we will be back to show you the results. Everything is shimmering and shiny. I love these colors. So here we are. It is cured already, and you can see that the gold did sink on the back. And not sure what the design looks like yet on the underside, but we'll take them out of the mold. And these come out really easy. You just have to move them a little bit and they'll pop right out of the mold. There we go. Here's the first one. And now you can start to see the difference in the colors. And I'll do a true color with my camera here in just a minute so you can see it. But the center part of the geode is got the sparkle in it, and then the outer part is got the shimmer. And then the gold just, it just tops it all off. So, love that gold. If you haven't ever tried the 007 from Color Obsessions, you need to give it a try. In fact, if you haven't tried any of the color art, resin art luster pigments, you need to try that too. The links to everything will be below in the description box. This is what the backside looks like. So there they all are. I love these colors. I think they're so pretty and sparkly and shiny. Now I'm going to do some close-ups. These are the true colors of what they look like. My camera does a much better job of catching the true color. I have not altered these or edited these in any way. This is just the colors they are. And they are gorgeous. See right here the difference between the pink mink and the wild jasmine. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's a little different than what I normally do. And if you have, please click like and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can ring that bell now. And you'll get notified when I upload future videos. And the description of everything will be linked below. I want to thank you for helping my channel grow, and I hope to see you in my next creative escapade. Bye bye for now.